I've never had this part cause a rattling noise before, ever. So this is a first for me. So my wife has been complaining about this rattling noise for probably over a year now, and it's really annoying. The rattling, not you, honey. You're not annoying. The rattling is annoying. Let's see if we can hear the noise. That's the noise. It's been driving me crazy. The noise is very much like strut tops. If you've ever had that before as a technician, you get this rattling kind of, and you can feel it. It's definitely in the front suspension. It sounds like strut tops, but I know it's not because I just put Bilstein struts, strut tops. I did the upper control arms, you know, all the common things. Even the lower control arm bushings, they weren't really that bad, but I went ahead and replaced all this stuff. I wanted to make sure this car is perfect. My wife and my daughter are both in the car, so this car is perfect, except for this stupid rattling sound. I thought maybe it was sway bar links. I even pulled the sway bar out of the car. It drove it and the noise was still there, so I put the sway bar back in. And then I started to realize the noise goes away when I slow down, but not because I'm slowing down like I originally thought. It's going away because I'm applying the brakes. I had TRW brake pads on it, plenty of brake pads left, rotors look good, everything was good. I went ahead and put new factory brake pads on it, no change. So then I'm like, okay, well, maybe the brake pads are kind of rattling around in the caliper. So I put sticky backs on the brake pads, still no change. You've got to be kidding me. So I finally figured out what the problem is. I'm gonna pull it inside the shop, we're gonna take a look, I'll show you exactly what it is, and I'll tell you, I've never had this part cause a rattling noise before, ever. All right, let me show you guys this. I was happy and mad all at the same time. I was happy that I found it, but I was also mad at myself that I didn't find it sooner. So check this out. Are you kidding me? A brake rotor? I've never seen a brake rotor cause a rattle like this before. Let's get this one out. Let's compare it to a brand new one. All right, check this out. Obviously that's a problem. The hat is moving separately from the disc. Now it's not technically a two-piece rotor, I don't think, because traditionally a two-piece rotor, you know, you can unbolt it from the disc. And the hat is made out of aluminum. As you can see, the magnet doesn't stick, but the rotor is definitely steel. So it's made out of two different materials. They're held together with these pins. It's hard to show you on camera, but you see all those pins. So there's no way to really separate the two. In fact, I'm not even sure how they make this thing, but you can see all those pins there. I don't know if you can see it in camera, but the hat is moving along with the pin, and the pin is not moving separate from the disc. So the pin is kind of doing this while the disc stays in the same spot. Let's compare it to a brand new rotor. All right, I made sure I cleaned the surface, replaced my gloves so I'd make sure not to contaminate the brand new rotor. This is from Zimmerman. It's not a factory brake rotor, it's an OEM replacement. It's about $100 less. If you guys want, I'll put a description down below with a part number if you need to replace it for yours. In addition to the SQ5, I think it also fits the A8 or S8. I'm not really sure. I'll find out and I'll put all the information down below. But check this out. Nothing, right? No noise. Before, after, before, after. I am so confident this is going to fix it. Let's put it on and make sure that the noise is completely gone. All right, after getting all the new brakes installed, we're going to go for a test drive and truly see if this noise has been resolved. Babe, I need you to go take the car for a drive.
Did you fix it?
Just go take it for a drive.
Did you fix it?
Just go drive it.
Did you?
Come on. Well, what do you think?
It's much, much better. Thank you. However, did you hear that?
Hear what?
Did you hear?
Hear what?
There's like a little creaking noise.
Oh my God. Well, she's my most difficult customer, but I still love her. And if you guys have ever had this problem before, let me know. This is the first time for me. If not, then maybe use this information. You'll be able to fix a rattle on your customer's car one day. We'll see. Anyways, thank you guys so much.
Make sure you subscribe.